What's up, world? It's your girl, Lenny Jean. I'm out here finna throw my watermelon plants down in the ground. Hold up, let me show y'all where. I'm putting them right here. I think that's enough space. Probably like 6 feet of space. And I got 4. Is it 4 in there? Or is it 3? Yes, 4. Oh shoot, and I got a cantaloupe I need to put down somewhere. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So, stick around. Finna get my hoe. It's black. I'm gonna wash that off. I like rocks. I used to have a rock collection. I'll be back. Good. That's what's done so far. Hoeing. I'll be back when I'm done. I'm back, y'all. So, this is my thinking, okay? And based off what I read, blah, 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 whoop-de-whoop. I'm going to put each plant about 12 inches apart. I think I have enough space for 4. If not, I can go all the way to the end over there. Or I can come out this way. I think I went to my line, right? Yeah. So, yeah, it's a lot of rocks. Hold up, let me show y'all. I pulled up this gigantic rock. And I like rocks, so I think it's pretty because it's black and brown and all these different shades and stuff. I don't know. I need to research, but I think these minerals might be good for my garden. If this rock and grass and all this stuff, my soil is shiny, like it glistens in the sun from all the minerals and stuff in it. So, like, pulled that up. That's pretty. So, I'm gonna look them up and see what kind of rocks they are. I can't remember all of my learning from school. Igneous rocks and what's the other one? Igneous. Dang. Yeah, I told you. They'll come back to me. But yeah. Okay. They're so pretty. And I know it says that they don't like their roots disturbed. So we're going to figure out how to separate them easily, gently. And these are sugar babies. Sugar baby watermelons. So they're so pretty. And those are like right next to each other. I know. I dropped seeds right on top of each other. So yeah, we're gonna work this out. And I have 2 cantaloupe in there that I know I can't put next to each other. So I'm gonna find another place for them. And yeah.
All right, y'all. So I'm just laughing because I never thought I'd be having my own little garden and stuff and digging out in the dirt. My dad, and I didn't know this because I was younger, but now that I think about it, I do remember this stuff. So when we were in Chicago, he used to grow like bell peppers and tomatoes in buckets, in little 5 gallon paint buckets. And we lived in the hood, south side of Chicago. Um, and I never knew this about my dad. I wish he would have continued that when we moved here to Georgia, because I definitely would have been in the yard with him. He had me doing everything else though. We were cleaning the pool out and raking leaves, but he did not grow anything when he got here. So I'm just gonna, I guess, continue on in his on his behalf. So Dad, this garden is for you. I give all glory and praise to my Father and Son, Jesus Christ. Y'all kicking it with my dad up there. So I pray that all of this fruit grows and that we see some good harvest and that it's blessed and anointed by the Father. So I'm finna dig this hole and we finna get started, y'all. Ooh, knees popping, boy. Shout out to the hubby for all of the, see, all of these little garden gifts he gave me for our anniversary. What is that? Y'all, I'm still digging up weird stuff. Please don't let me dig up nothing weird as fuck. I'm sorry. What is this? If I do dig up something, let it be worth something, Lord. I don't know what that is. That look like some material. I am not putting any amendments in the ground. I am going to see what we get. What is this? Lord have mercy, Jesus. I don't know what this stuff is. Maybe some old landscape fabric or something. I don't know. I'm sweating. Lord have mercy. Oh my God. I'm finna get my real shovel, y'all. Hold up. I'll be back. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that was. I really don't. It's like some fabric or something. Excavating over this mud. What you think? which it is in abundance over here. You have no issues with grass growing right here. It's just everything you need to have a garden. No fertility required unless you just want to. But it's already in the ground. Okay. All right, y'all. Hold up. Alright. So, I got my thing deep as this doggone pot, okay? And hey, watermelon, sugar babies, you are beautiful, amazing plants. You will grow and bear much fruit for this house. You will be sweet and full of life. Look, we got a little tundra already. If you could see that right there. I think you saw it. Did you? No. Right here. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to break it apart nice and gently. Ooh, Jesus. And be a plant breaker, Lord. Okay. So I'm going to lay you right there. Put you. Ooh, smell it. Make sure I don't get that stuff. I'm going to just drag all of this back around this watermelon, okay? Break it all up. Break it all up. Break it all up. I don't know what that is, y'all. Shoot. Grabbing all of this good stuff. Look, whatever came up, put it back. It didn't do nothing but add nutrients to your soil. That's a rock. It's crazy how you could smell this watermelon already, bro. Oh, make sure your soil before you pull it out of that pot is wet or damp to help with the transition. It's been raining a few days, so the earth that I'm with is moist already. So, all right, put you over there. Down. All right. All right. There. That's one. I'm gonna stagger them too. Like I got this one here. I'll probably go up there with that and then back down and up. I do want some trellis. So I will be doing that soon. Oh, sorry. Sorry, long. I might plant something in between them if I can. Oh well.
All right, y'all, here they go. It's the four. It's the quad watermelon. They down here. It's supposed to rain today, so I didn't water it too much. I put down some banana leaf juice, banana peel juice around it. So I'm gonna see if it rains today. If it doesn't rain, I'm gonna come back and water it in.